Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Model and iOS because toggles vary by version. Open Settings and go to General about to confirm. Next, back up to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if anything goes wrong. This is precautionary, not optional. If screen time or device management is enabled, grab that passcode now, since you'll need it to change some privacy controls. Once done, return to Settings and proceed to the next screen where NFC and tag options live. You now target the NFC controls directly. This is the detailed step. First, remove any NFC shortcut from Control Center via Settings Control Center to avoid accidental scans. Then navigate Settings Accessibility Touch and check Privacy NFC or Background Tag Reading. Exact naming depends on iOS. Turn off Background Tag Reading or similar tag options. This stops passive scanning. Make the change, then lock and unlock the phone to ensure the toggle persists. If needed, restart the device. You finish by verifying the change. Bring an NFC tag near the top rear of your iPhone. It should not open or show a prompt. If it still reacts, restart the device, then recheck background tag reading and any Control Center shortcuts. If a company or school profile manages settings, go to Settings General VPN and Device Management to remove it. Only do that if you own the phone or have permission. As a last resort, reset network settings or restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.